Today we're going over the top 5 ways you can make the most out of 2018, and we're starting now.
So today we're going to be covering the top 5 things to make 2018 a complete success for you. We'll be covering each of these topics individually in their own separate videos, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe down below. So here we go. Guys, the number one thing you can do in 2018, and the one that makes everything else possible, is to have clarity. Having clarity and making a plan increases your chances exponentially of being successful. First, start by writing your goals down on a piece of paper. Write them on your iPad, hell, write them on your phone if you want. Write down 5 or 6 goals that you think are achievable in 2018. Next, you want to pick the number one thing on that list that, if you do nothing else in 2018, is going to make the biggest impact on your life. Guys, the keys to success in 2018 is discipline and consistency. Now that you have your plan on paper, you should be taking action every single day towards achieving that goal. Don't let a day go by where you don't do at least one thing that's going to get you closer to achieving that goal.
It's been determined without our health, we have nothing. This year at Modern Man's Lifestyle, we recommend getting a physical. Check with your doctor to determine your limitations. Guys, this is your year. It's time to get off the couch. It's time to make time for a workout program. 3 days a week, at least 30 minutes. Now that we're exercising, it's time to look into well-balanced meals that include more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. We recommend that you look into food preparation, juicing, and healthy snacks to keep you going throughout the day. Now that we've talked about nutrition and exercise, it's time to tie it all in together. Let's talk about your recommended vitamin intake. Today's video sponsor is ID Life. ID Life individually designs vitamins and supplements tailored to you. Down below there's a link where you can take a free self-assessment to determine your needs and goals.
One of the most important things that you can do in 2018 to be successful is to get your finances in order. Too many men are guilty of not paying attention or just outright ignoring their finances. So here are 3 suggestions to make your finances better this year. 1. Create a budget. Only 32% of Americans actually create a budget and stick to it. Making a budget is one of the most effective ways to have financial success. Personally, I use Mint.com. It's a free service online from Intuit, the makers of TurboTax and QuickBooks. 2. Save money. Again, a very basic idea, but most Americans don't do this. Setting up an automatic savings account is a great way to do this. Putting away just enough money to make yourself a little uncomfortable is a great way to save money, and not having immediate access to the money makes it more likely that you won't spend it. And 3. Maximize your retirement or 401k account. When's the last time you reviewed your account? Make an appointment with your representative to sit down and discuss what your best options for 2018 are. This is usually a free thing to do and doesn't take very long.
Self-improvement. This is going to be your year to focus on self-improvement. It's going to be the little things that make a big difference. Guys, the only way you can self-improve is to identify your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? What needs self-improvement? Here at Modern Man's Lifestyle, we recommend you being a jack of all trades. This will make you a very well-balanced individual. This year, learn a new skill. Become a salsa dancer. As silly as it sounds, learn how to hang a picture. And learn how to cook great meals. Your date or significant other will find it quite appealing. Try something new. Be versatile. Try new foods and restaurants. If you don't exercise, join a gym. Take on new hobbies like hiking, biking, and yoga. Actions improve confidence. Go out of your way and introduce yourself. Make it a goal to talk to 10 people a day. Dress to impress, even if the occasion doesn't call for it. This will get you out of your comfort zone.
The final thing you can do in 2018 to have a great year is to focus on yourself and your appearance. When's the last time you updated your appearance? This might be a little hard to do. You might need to have some help from a friend or a loved one. Is your clothes outdated or even a little frumpy? Small changes like wearing clothes that fit you properly can make a huge difference. I challenge you to go through your closet and look for things that you either haven't worn in a long time or don't fit you properly. Check out our upcoming video on this topic. Also, do you have a good grooming routine? Things like a proper haircut and a skincare regimen will have you looking sharp and refreshed when you head out the door. Guys, working on your appearance will have you looking sharp and feeling confident in any situation. It's time well spent on you. Here at Modern Man's Lifestyle, we wish you a great 2018. We look forward to bringing you more videos, so don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to leave us some comments. Let us know what works for you and what doesn't.